Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 10. Making positive comments on food. What a wonderful dinner.
Thank you. I am glad that you are enjoying it.
Where did you get your fantastic recipes?
I grew up cooking. My mother shared her recipes with me.
I especially like the wonderful chicken dish.
That is a special coconut ginger chicken with rice dish.
Is that shrimp in the soup?
Yes, do you like it? I added a little extra lemongrass and some sea vegetables.
I am happy that the wine I brought for you works well with this meal.
Yes, thank you for bringing the wine. It really complements the meal.
This is a great meal.
Thank you. I am glad that everything turned out so well.
Who taught you how to cook this well?
I took a cooking class at the Culinary Institute.
Wow, what is in this chicken dish?
Isn't that great? That is coconut ginger chicken with rice.
Is the soup a shrimp soup?
Yes, there is shrimp in there along with sea vegetables and lemongrass.
I think I got lucky in choosing a wine that blends with this meal.
I appreciate you bringing the wine. It goes well with the chicken.
I really love this meal.
Thanks. I was hoping that you would all enjoy this meal.
Where did you learn to cook these amazing dishes?
I got a really wonderful cookbook for my birthday and decided to try out a few of the recipes.
The chicken is out of this world.
I love that dish as well. It is coconut chicken with rice.
I was wondering if there was shrimp in the soup.
Yes, that soup has a shrimp base. I also added sea vegetables and lemongrass.
It worked out well that the wine that I brought to share seems to blend well with this meal.
I love this wine. It goes very well with the chicken.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.